Teshdile, this is Sakina Bhatt and welcome to Tibet This Week, a weekly news on Tibet, His Holiness the Dalai Lama and Central Tibetan Administration. Let's look at the headlines. His Holiness the Dalai Lama and Central Tibetan Administration greet Archbishop Tutu on his birthday. His Holiness the Dalai Lama and the Central Tibetan Administration remember Dr. Alfredo Moreno. China holds 3 Tibetans in Wonpo, releases rest with strict orders. Sikyong urges resolution of conflicts through non-violence on Gandhi Jayanti. Sikyong meets Taiwanese ambassador His Eminence Baushuan. Tibetan Association in Germany appoints new executive members. His Holiness the Dalai Lama and Sikyong Pembatsering of the Central Tibetan Administration expressed their greetings to Archbishop Desmond Tutu of South Africa on the latter's 90th birthday. His Holiness said that he and his spiritual brother Archbishop Tutu are both totally dedicated to finding peace of mind and bring about peace in the world.
You see, we all totally dedicated peace of mind. And through peace of mind, we try our best to bring peace through inner peace. So this time, a special day for your 90th birthday. So special by prayer and greetings. So, my elder spiritual brother, please still live long. You need world as a good example.
In the birthday greetings expressed on Sikyong's official Twitter handle, Sikyong Pembatsering wrote, "Wishing Archbishop a very happy 90th birthday. Witnessing the friendship between you and His Holiness is one of the greatest joys and offers insight into how humanity could be. May you live long and may the world continue to be the recipient of your wisdom." His Holiness the Dalai Lama and Sikyong Pembatsering condoled the demise of Dr. Alfredo Moreno, a longtime supporter of the Tibet cause, who is also a personal friend of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Dr. Alfredo Moreno passed away on Saturday last week at the age of 98. Dr. Alfredo Moreno was the deputy head of the El Salvador UN delegation that took a stand to support Tibet's plea at the UN by submitting a draft resolution to the UN entitled "Invasion of Tibet by Foreign Forces" in 1950. Chinese authorities have released the detained Tibetans in Wonpo in the last week of September, but continue to detain 3 monks. The released Tibetans were, however, strictly ordered to refrain from keeping pictures of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and contacting exiled Tibetans, and disengage in activities, including holding informal language classes and language preservation groups on social media. The 3 monks were amongst the 8 Tibetans who were arrested on 3rd September. Recently, Chinese local authorities arrested about 121 Tibetans in Wonpo, Tibet, for keeping pictures of His Holiness the Dalai Lama or communicating with Tibetans in exile. The Central Tibetan Administration held an official ceremony to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, the 152nd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. On the occasion, Sikyong Pembatsering said that Mahatma Gandhi is the epitome of non-violence and that Gandhi has set an example across the world in resolving conflicts through non-violence.
Also, one issue where the strength of the movement is based on the non-violent struggle led by His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And His Holiness the Dalai Lama has very, very high regard and follows Mahatma Gandhi in the way that he managed to gain freedom for the people of India. Therefore, today to mark Mahatma Gandhiji's birthday, we pay our respect and we pledge ourselves to follow non-violence as a means to resolve any kind of conflict in the world. That is why we are gathered here.
The ceremony was attended by secretaries and senior officials of the Central Tibetan administration. Sikyong of the Central Tibetan administration met with Taiwanese ambassador to India, His Excellency Baushuan, at his office on Monday this week. The leaders discussed issues of mutual interest and concern. During his 3-day visit to Delhi, Sikyong also met with diplomats of some other countries. Tibetan Association of Germany appointed its new executive members in the 2-day General Board meeting in Frankfurt last week. Representative Chimi Rinzi of the Tibet Bureau Geneva congratulated the new executive members and thanked all the association members for closely working with the Tibet Bureau Geneva in implementing projects and programs under the direction of the Central Tibetan administration. Representative Chimi Rinzi further emphasized the crucial role and responsibilities of the Tibetan Association and its members, especially given the growing population of Tibetans in Western countries, including Germany. So much for this week. See you next time and have a good weekend.